So when you're producing house music, because it's such an old genre, it's been around for yonks, it's important that you make it interesting and really make the listener go, whoa, what just happened there? In this video, one of my songs called Bend My Love, I'm going to show you guys how I made this simple house track into something really unique and different with these little effect tricks. Let's dive into it. It's a really simple song. The main elements are actually just this grand piano, this vocal. Neat. I'm going to show you guys how I made it interesting, how I made it move, how the track gets carried. So first would be in the drums. Nothing too fancy, but the point of contrast is in this reverb here. And all that is the metal machine here. It's a little percussion. And then I've just reverbed the crap out of it and delayed it. Hits there, completely dry. And then right here, the reverb kicks in and I've delayed it by that much. Really simple thing, but it sounds good. It's like a breath of fresh air. Neat. Next, in the piano, it sounds like this. What I've done on that grand piano is a bit of compression, chorus, and some nectar. Once again, just saturating it a bit, squashing it, and a bit of reverb. To add some variety and variation, we have this. Oh man, that just sounds fucking sick. And that is the power of step effects. Pulsing gates, I've got 100% mix on that. Turn it off. Turn it on. It's so cool. And then it goes back into the normal piano. This top bass here. That's just a Serum preset. And see how it really moves? It's really dynamic. You know, you got this big, almost stab wave thing here. And then it chills out. And then the new note comes. Same thing. We're squashing it a bit. We've got the tremolo, just pushing it around a bit, making it move a bit more. Some phase distortion, EQ, and a kickstart, just ducking where the kick is. To get this sub bass, all it is a sine wave right to the bottom. Really easy to make. And then I've pretty much done my own enveloping here on the fades. Otherwise it's really boring just being one sausage. But adding these fades, really exaggerate fades, you essentially shape the sound how you want it. So here, there you go. I've just gone fade in 310, fade out 3000. And that's essentially shaping it the way I want it to. If I just left it, it'd just be the same volume right through. With the fades, it's getting the attack is pretty much reduced, getting slowly introduced, and then super slowly fading out until a new note, and a new note, new note. Neat little trick you can do. And then the vocal. Yeah, really nice. On these little chops here, step effects, deep space, take that off. That's what it sounds like, way too harsh. Deep space on. Deep space, this preset from Step Effects is a really good one for throwing things in the background. That's what we're doing here. Then I've got a vocal reverse reverb. Another really neat trick to carry a track. And that's introducing this dry sample. All together. In the second half of the chorus, we have some extra stabs, and these are beautiful. So sample delay pushed right out, so super wide, then a bit of a delay designer, bounce pattern, a little bit of reverb. I'll show you guys how that sounds, it's really neat. Absolutely gorgeous, just adds that top layer of excitement and like ambience and wow. So that's a few tips and tricks on how to keep simple songs interesting. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one.